Alright, so I was listening to some Ice Spice and I found this little ditty. I guess it was one of the YouTube videos that it's like a little boombox speaker at the beginning. But yeah, so it just like does this. At the beginning, So I don't know. Sounds kind of like it. So basically, you just hit the C chord here, and then you get on the B string, which is the 11th fret. Your tuning of your guitar should be in E A D G B E. So it should be C, and then it's gonna be on the G string. It's gonna be the 10th fret, which would be like E F or something. That's the beginning here, so you get that going, and then you can add some bass. I don't know how the bass goes, but it's like. But at the very beginning, you can play this, which is the D string, 10th fret, and then the G string, 9th fret, and then the B string, 8th fret. And that's where she's saying like, thought always. And she repeats that. I can't sing and play at the same time, but maybe you can. But that's a little beat that's kind of over it. And if you like that, stay tuned for some more. And hit me up if you want me to try to cover some other songs.